Okay. Yes.
Hello, Poonam.
Hi, Vijaya. How are you?
I am fine, Poonam. What about you? First of
I'm,
all, good afternoon.
yeah, good afternoon. Very good afternoon. How are you?
I am pretty well and I am fresh totally. Yes, little bit. No, my morning is topsy and turvy. We got result, RBSC result. So that is the reason. Otherwise, my morning is smoothly.
Okay. Before dive the
Going
conversation, would you like to please introduce yourself?
Definitely, Poonam. So I go by Vijay Lakshmi. I was born and raised in Rajasthan. And I have been teaching last 10 years in education department of Rajasthan. So in that manner, you can say by profession, I am a teacher and I have green thumb also. I would love to gardenings and I am a tender mother also. So in nutshell, it's a me, Poonam.
Great introduction, I would say. So, first of all, I also introduce myself. Hi, my name is Poonam Bis. I live in Dehradun and I'm a mother of one son and working in the IT sector. Simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel as well as, the name Mute Yourself. So, it's all about
Hmm.
my introduction. So, okay, you
Yeah.
are a government teacher and you have been teaching last 10 years. So how is your experience in teaching, teaching life?
Poonam, it was the amazing and fantastic. And I would say teaching is not only my profession, it is my passion. Earlier, I was posted in the social welfare department as a clerical staff. I have to deal with the different kind of the scholarships. So that time I just want to get rid of it. I want to escape from anyhow by hook and by crooks. And I put lot of effort to got rid of that job. And when I got the teacher, when I joined as a teacher in education department, so you can't imagine the earlier colleagues told me you should check your weight at that time and after 1 or 2 months we will contact you and we will ask you what is your weight because that time I am only weighing a 42 kg.
Oh
I
God.
never liked that job.
Okay.
Yes, they also got a sigh of relief and I got also sigh of relief because they always observe me frustrated. I don't like the job of the clerical staff.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think teaching profession is like, as a parents, we can say that.
Hmm.
Hmm.
It's
Okay,
my
so
dream job.
yeah, okay. Okay,
Hmm.
yesterday Rajasthan result declared, right? So how do you feel when you know your student got good marks?
Yeah, Poonam. So first of all, I want to tell you, it happened first time, that we got result both streams in one day, science, agriculture, commerce, arts, and in my school all faculties are available. So when we got results, so that time we have a curiosity. Oh, what will happen the next stream? Usually we got the science result at first. Second, we go for the agriculture and commerce, and at last, we got the arts result.
Okay.
But in this time, we got all results in a one day. They declared on the one day, same time. So it's no good situation in because no in my school usually the for the 11th class almost 10 section and 10 section for the 12th class. So we have to wait and to collect the student for a gathering and enjoy and to accolade them the students we have to wait and it usually takes 1 month and almost more than 1 month sometimes, but today no we just gathered all students from the different streams and we just put the garland in their necks and that time we feel extremely happy because earlier I had a conversation with one of my colleague because this year we got a toughest question paper and we always worried about nowadays the student are not much more worried regarding the result. Teacher
Yes, true,
usually
true.
do their worry.
I can
Yeah,
resonate with you
so
because I was a teacher. I was a teacher earlier and I have a 8 years experience also in a teaching field. So I can resonate with
mm,
you totally. Okay, so how many students got 90% and above marks in your class?
I want to share with you. After that, I will give you the answer. Your next question. So yesterday, one of my colleague called me in evening. So she asked me, "What do you think? Will be able to get a procession? Will be able to conduct any procession in जुलूस निकालते हैं हम वहाँ पे." So
Mhm.
that time, just I usually say, no, I don't know, Kavita, will be able to or not. One of them will be processions that. एक का तो जुलूस निकलेगा, चाहे हमारा निकले चाहे बच्चों का निकले.
Okay.
By God grace, we got good results. And five students from the my class, I am a mother teacher of the 12th D, and that class I taught compulsory English because in my school we are five lecturer for the English. So literature over handed another teacher, and I taught the compulsory English. So 90 above 95 five student, and in four girls and one boy. They got the above 95, and topper student got a 96%. That is also a girl.
It was great result. Okay, so
Yeah, it was.
mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, it is great actually. So is it result better than previous year?
Yeah, definitely. Previous year, I don't know, the question paper is the normal, and we were expecting something outstanding and rocking, but previous year our topper student got only 91% marks. And if I talk about previous year, I am not a mother teacher of any class, and but I taught previous year literature, so literature result is also so. I think the topper student got 86 marks, in that time. So I would say this year we got a better result.
It's great. So actually
Mm.
nowadays, teaching task is quite difficult for the, especially for teacher. Actually, it's like nowadays, teenagers are not don't want to learn anything, don't want to read anything, don't want to even the homework also. So it's like stubborn.
Hmm.
They always want like mobile phone and like that. So what kind of problem do you face in the class? These type of
Yes,
students.
Poonam, the teaching profession is no a renowned profession regarding and as well as challenging also, because each and every day we have to face and we have to deal the teenage, you know and what kind of the changes, what kind of the hormone changes in their body, and we have to deal with, and they are also all struggles.
Yes.
In the manner of psychology, the Freud give a definition, the teenagers है, ये तूफानों की अवस्था है. It is the age of storms.
Because
So they have
I feel same thing because my son is also 15 years old and sometimes it throwing so tantrum on me and that time I got irritated and I'm not I know I can't understand to him what means sometimes like views thoughts not matching with us parents. So sometimes I feel okay, I have to take some patience for him, but because being a human being got irritated these type of tantrums.
Hmm. Yes. But Poonam, I would say they are also struggling that time. No, the requirement is, especially in India, we are just lagging behind the child psychology. We haven't read child psychology. We haven't any knowledge about the child psychology. So first of all, we should go for the child psychology. Yes,
True.
our ethical and moral are top notes, but according to time we have to change and we have to read. And today also I got a book from my library, that is the name of child psychology, and I want to read because my son is also no had to teenage.
Yeah.
Still, he is
Sometimes it's
in
very
12th
difficult
year.
to deal them, right?
Yes, yes. But it's been, I think, 4 5 year and to teaching the higher classes. So nowadays it's
Now you
easy
have
for
a
me.
you have a long experience for the deal these
Hmm.
type of students or children. Okay,
Hmm.
so
And one more,
nowadays, okay, okay, carry on.
one more thing I want to add. You just know earlier I told you I was posted in the social welfare department. So that time I was caretaker of a hostel of the boys. So that time I took care of a boys hostel because social welfare department run also the government hostels. They provide the hostel facilities for the BPL families.
It's quite difficult. Okay, nowadays
So
you hear about Gen Z. Okay,
yeah.
it's on Instagram, on it, so it's like or the like a river of these words like Gen Z. So what do you think about Gen Z generation?
Yeah, the name is new, no, Poonam, and earlier we just described the teenager, and according to time, we got the new name, new vocab, and I also heard about alpha and beta generation
Alpha,
also,
beta,
Poonam.
Gen Z. It's quite difficult
But
to understand that these type of words, no, Gen Z, alphabet, alpha, Gen Z. Like it's quite difficult. Okay, so what do you think?
we should not, yeah, we should not trap in the names, and we should straightforward on the topics. The topic is that they have a different kind of the thought process, and I think it's happen always. I would say just Poonam, I am a rebellion child in my family. I am not saying about my mother, but my father and my grandmother also. No, took me. She is a rebellion of the family. My wives never match with them both. So we are different from our parents. Our children different
Different
from us.
us
Their children must be different from
will
them.
use them
I think
definitely.
yes, according to time, they have to change. And I think change is good. We are becoming nowadays gradually civilized society. No, no, we are talking about we are losing moral value, ethical values, we are losing our culture and custom. But I would say, Poonam, day by day, we becoming a civilized society. No, we believe in rule and regulation. We believe in a system. And you look at the youth mindset. They move to abroad due to they in the foreign countries they impose strict rule and regulation. So in that manner, we can say they believe in the civilizations.
True, true.
Yeah.
So today topics
Okay.
is all about the children's because you are a teacher, you have to face on a daily basis to kind of children because everyone has different type of behavior, different type of thoughts. So you have a great experience for handle them.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it was
Yes,
a
Poonam.
great
It was a
conversation,
nice
I would
one.
say.
Yes,
Before the
yes.
wrapping
And
the
I
session,
you just replied me and we conversed. So it was also, time saving process and you made my day, you can say. I know I'm so happy over the moon to share my, my feelings because I
yeah,
was
because
very
you are
happy.
a, I think you are must be good teacher.
Thank you for your compliment. It's also a one win,
Because you share
another win.
with me many things about your school journey and is your handling how you handle the no, students. So I know that, and we can't explain all the things on the in this conversation. So definitely we will take session again for the the again something different kind of
I am,
topics with yeah on children. So yes,
I am
it
looking
was great
forward
conversation
to.
with you. So we
Yes,
will
definitely.
connect very soon again. So thank you so much
Hmm.
for the session.
Thank you, Poonam.
Okay, bye.